velvet chair in the corner, brass lamp with a faded shade, curved wood, little scar in the armor, story in every scrape. Green glass on a walnut table, clock that barely keeps the time. You trace lines in the grain, say, this is how I draw the line. You want that one of a kind, not just pretty, but it stays for function and the feeling, all the angles in the grace. If you get all three, yeah, you get all three. Chrome legs on a leather sofa, low slung like it doesn't care. Art Deco in the gilded edges, strong spine in the subtle flare. Sideboard from another decade, mirror framed in burnished gold. You say nothing here is perfect, but it all grows on your soul. You want that one of a kind, not just pretty, but it stays for function and the feeling, all the angles and the grace. If you get all three, you get all three. Show me the piece that changed you, the chair that held your first fall, the lamp that kept your secrets, shadows dancing on the wall. You laugh, call it obsession, I call it choosing your time. Every room a confession, every curve by design. You want that one of a kind,